welcome back everybody. We have our next presentation for our robot project, and this one is Ian's.
Hello guys, this is my project. This is our project, me and my peers. I'm Ian, and my group member is Love Push Laurenti, and this is what we're going to be presenting today. Our robot is called Little Homeboy. So, having some technical. So based on our story, so the first thing we did when our boss gave us this project, we wanted to do like everybody else, cars, but we thought about it and we were like, that's not a good idea, so we wanted to do something different, which was this little robot that looked like a duck. And what we did, we went to Amazon and went to other website and we tried to search based on our price tag, which was like, we want to use less than $70. So Amazon was our best fit, and some of our struggles is like trying to get the duck delivered to us on time so that we can be able to code it. And also like being able to learn how to do coding in 2 weeks, which was like, it was a little hard because we use different softwares. We'll go to the next project. Right. What's the slide talking about?
Hey, love, if you look at the bottom right of your laptop.
Alright, so as you can
Hello.
see here, I'm gonna let
So,
you
I don't know. So we're having a little difficulty on the computer right now, so it's not loading.
What are you trying to do here? What
I'm just on the next slide.
is this supposed to be a PowerPoint?
Yeah.
So why don't you just use the embedded PowerPoint instead of the online PowerPoint?
I mean, it's just Google Slide.
What?
Look at the Wi-Fi. Look at the Wi-Fi. You see that? No internet. It says no internet.
So
Put them on the staff
Okay.
Wi-Fi. Yeah, staff 5G.
Do you remember the password?
Yes. I'm not about to say it on camera though. Hang on a sec. Here.
Welcome to my vlog.
welcome back.
This is a Year Up vlog right here.
yeah.